In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and open workbooks in Excel. The first thing you will learn is how to make a brand new workbook quickly, and then how to open an existing file when you need to continue working on something you already started. To begin creating a new workbook, look at your keyboard and press Ctrl+N. This is a fast shortcut that tells Excel to immediately generate a fresh workbook for you. As soon as you press it, you should see a new Excel window appear with a new set of blank sheets. You can think of this new workbook as a clean starting point, where you can enter new data, build tables, and create your own layout from scratch. If you have multiple workbooks open, this shortcut still helps you quickly add one more, without having to navigate through menus. Now that you have a new workbook ready, the next part is opening a file that already exists. Even if you just created a workbook, there are many times when you will want to work on something you saved earlier. To do that, move your attention to the top of the Excel window. You will see a ribbon with different tabs. Find the File tab and click it. The File tab is important because it takes you out of the main editing area and into the Backstage view, where Excel manages actions related to files. When you click the File tab, Excel will open the Backstage view. You might notice the layout changes, and instead of seeing editing tools, you will see options related to file management. This is where you can create, open, save, print, and manage other file-related tasks. Take a moment to look for the section where you can choose an existing file to open. Depending on your Excel version, the screen may show recently used files near the top, or it may show general choices for opening files. Next, select your target file. If your file appears in the recent list, click the correct one to choose it. If it does not appear there, you can still access it through the Open option that is shown in the Backstage view. The key point is that you must choose the exact file you want to work on, so you do not accidentally open the wrong workbook. Once you have the correct file selected, click the Open option. This step tells Excel to load that workbook into the application. You should then see the contents of the file appear, including any sheets, charts, formulas, and formatting that were saved previously. This is the moment where you can return to your work, edit changes, and review what is already in the document. If the workbook includes multiple worksheets, you can navigate between them using the Sheet tabs at the bottom of the Excel window. If you need to focus, you can click into the cells and continue entering or modifying data. To recap what you did, you first used Ctrl+N to instantly create a new workbook. Then, you used the File tab on the ribbon to access the Backstage view, selected your target file, and clicked Open to launch it. These two actions cover the most common workbook tasks in Excel, whether you are starting from scratch or resuming existing work. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.